This video is intended to aid the trained service technician in repairing this particular Alto-Shaam oven. Do not attempt to repair this oven if you are not a trained service technician. Service technicians may obtain the proper training by contacting the Alto-Shaam technical service team. When repairing this oven, wear personal protective equipment and follow local codes and regulations. Contact the Alto-Shaam technical service team if you have any questions about how to safely and properly repair this appliance. The purpose of this video is to show how to install the electrical cord for Alto-Shaam Converge ovens. For this installation, you will need an electrical install kit, slip joint pliers, and basic hand tools. This process poses an electrical shock hazard. Make sure the electrical cord is not connected to a power supply during the install process and the main disconnect is in the off position. First, we'll remove the top panel. Start by removing the tube screws on either side. Then, remove the two rear screws. Remove the top panel. Next, remove the main disconnect switch. Remove the screws securing the mounting bracket to the oven chassis. Use a magnet to avoid dropping screws into the oven. Remove the main disconnect switch from the mounting bracket. If the smaller knockout piece is still installed, remove it. Do not remove the final, lower knockout piece. Install the cord grip into the knockout. After the lock nut is fastened, install the cord sealing nut onto the cord. Then, install the cord into the oven. Connect the supply cord to the appropriate terminals in accordance with local codes and regulations. Tug the wires to make sure that they are securely fastened. Reinstall the mounting bracket into the oven. Install the ground wire. Adjust the length of cord. Again, tug the wires to make sure that they are securely fastened. Secure the cord sealing nut onto the body of the cord grip. Then, fasten the cord grip. Reinstall the top panel onto the oven and reinstall the screws securing the panel to the oven. Adjust the gaskets around the exhaust vents to make sure they are sealed. Press and reset the high limit switches after the install is complete to make sure they're not tripped. A 3-chamber Converge has 3 and a 2-chamber has 2. If this were a 2-chamber, there would only be one high limit switch found here. The electrical cord installation for the Converge oven is now complete. For more videos, please visit our website.